How y'all doing? Thought I'd put up a video here showing a few things. First I wanted to show off my new banjo head there. Did some artwork on it. And I can tell I'm going to have to figure out a different way besides Sharpie. It's already wearing down right there. But yeah, thought it was pretty cool. And the other thing, I had a few people asking about how I'm doing the chops in my video. So the basically I'll show it off first. G. So what I'm doing there is, so I'm striking, then I'm doing a palm mute. So that's the first two motions. And then when I was breaking it down, I didn't notice I sometimes do an upstroke. So it's a palm strike, palm mute, up, down, land with the thumb. So it's 5 motions. Strike, palm mute, up, down, thumb, strike, palm mute, up, down, thumb. So, there you go. So that's how I'm doing that. Hopefully that helps for those few people that were asking about it. Alright, cool. Have a good day, y'all.